Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is prawns rissoles, which is a combination of prawns, which is also known as shrimps, onions, coriander, green chilies, salt, and some cheese. Let's go ahead and see the preparation of this delicious and mouth-watering recipe. Measure and set aside the ingredients as listed in the description. Take a large pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add in the chopped onions. Lightly saute the onions on a medium flame. Add in the chopped prawns. Mix well until the onions and the prawns are completely mixed together. Now add in the green chilies, followed by the salt, and mix all of the ingredients together. Cook until the prawns are well cooked. Add in the grated cheese. And finally, add in the finely chopped coriander. Give it a quick mix. Turn off the flame and set it aside to cool down completely. Let's start preparing the mixture for the dough. Take a large pan, add in 200 ml of water, add in 1 tablespoon of ghee, add in 2 pinches of salt. When the mixture starts to bubble, add in the measured 200 grams of flour and mix the mixture well. Turn off the flame and keep mixing until well combined. Now add the hot mixture onto the surface. And start kneading when the mixture is hot itself. The preparation for this dough has to be prepared when the dough is really hot and warm. Mix it really well. Continue kneading the flour until it's nice and soft. Now divide the dough into two equal parts. Keep the other half in a container covered with a lid and start rolling out the dough. You have to roll this dough very finely. Make sure that the pastry is stretched out. It need not be thick. As you can see, the surface through the pastry sheet. Cut out some medium circles and set aside. Continue the same process until the dough is completely used. Add in a teaspoon of the prepared prawn filling. Apply some water to the half circle of the pastry and pinch the sides very gently in order to secure the sides of the pastry. And continue the same process to the remaining pastry sheets. Once you have filled in all of the pastry sheets, take a bowl, beat in 2 eggs, take in your breadcrumb or the semolina, whichever you prefer. Take the undone rissoles, dip it into the egg wash and crumb coat it in the breadcrumbs or the semolina. Continue the same process until all of the rissoles are crumb coated. In the meantime, take a large pan and on a medium flame, add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the undone rissoles into the oil and deep fry them on a medium flame until golden brown. Turn the rissoles on either sides and fry them evenly. Once golden brown on both sides, take the rissoles. Use a paper napkin to extract the excess oil. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes, and your rissoles are now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes.